Okay, welcome back to my channel. Okay, as I promised the other time, I told you I'll give you detailed information about how the fishes are out this year. Well, today we came and we partook in it. So, something, just relax, stay back, and watch me as I take it.
Okay, as I said the other day, we came back to see the actual process where things are done. And when we got there, luckily for us, they were now bringing out the net. And as you can see, there were people in the water controlling the flow of the net. And also they were trying to draw the fishes into the net whilst we were at the shore pulling with the rope. And we had to time. We were pulling with the wave. We have to time. When you time the waves push forward, we move backwards. And seriously speaking, it wasn't something easy to do. It was one hectic work. When I say hectic, you should understand, very hectic. The energy that goes into doing that, I wonder how the people feel after doing this hard work. You have imagine pulling a rock from one place to another. That's how this work looks like. But over the time,
This is not an easy work, crowd. I'm tired, man. Actually, they are still on it, doing it. They are still doing it.
okay, so from pulling, after pulling the rope from the water, we joined forces and pulled everything out. And from there, we went back to the usual practice. That's where we helped them in pulling out the spoons. Then, as you know already from the previous video, pulling the boats, we will give you some then we come back to the main topic, that's shell of the fish. Well, today we were able to wait. We had our own shell of the fish, we brought it back. And as I'm speaking now, there is some fish stew on fire that I'll be enjoying after here. So as you know already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you want to get fresh fish, just move to WINNEBA. You get something there. Stay safe. See you later. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. This time around, we are going to wager. The show over there, we have some wager lake. We are going there to learn about how the people there bring out their fish. So it's bye for now. See you later.